Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to manage our pensions and retirement accounts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to manage our pensions and retirement accounts, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in Aviva login. Once the search user loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you, which will transfer you the Aviva login portal. Then here, simply tap on the username and type in your email address or username, then type in your password in the password section and then tap on login. Now once you're logged into your account, go to My Accounts option located at the bottom right, or you can also tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right and select My Accounts. There, select pensions and retirements, and you will see all your registered pension plans and retirement accounts. Now, what you need to do here is view your account summary, check current balance, contributions made, investment funds and performance, retirement target projection, and you can also see your policy number, start date, and type of pension. Now, in order to make changes or contributions, tap on Manage Account to make a contribution, and options include add extra contributions, changing regular contribution amounts, switching between funds, setting retirement age preferences, and follow the prompts to confirm the changes. Then next is to update personal details by simply tapping on the update details of personal info, update name, address or contact info, bank account for contribution, and beneficiaries for your pension. Then next is access statement and documents by simply tapping on the documents or statement options and then selecting download or print, which you can print your annual pension statements, fund performance reports, policy documents. And next is to set up notifications by enabling email or SMS alerts for contribution confirmation, fund performance updates, and account changes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next